Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to send beautiful newsletters from your WordPress website. So this is the best plugin, MailPoint, emails and newsletters in WordPress. Send beautiful newsletters from WordPress, collect subscribers with sign-up forms, automate your emails for WooCommerce, blog post notifications and more. So download and install and use this plugin. And share your experience with this plugin and comment. Very easy to use, and still you have any problem to use this plugin, so comment. I will try to resolve that problem. So thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not.